Hi, I'd like to earn your business, and I think the best way for me to do that is to provide value to you. So I'm going to be putting together a series of little sound bites called News That's on the House, in which I'll be speaking with you about different topics that come up in my practice of real estate, questions, concerns that the clients I'm working with express that I know are not singularly unique. Um, in this particular issue, what I'd like to speak with you about are wills and trusts. I'm accredited as a senior real estate specialist, so the topic of wills and trusts comes up quite regularly. And a lot of people are under the misconception that having a will alone is going to help them avoid probate. That simply isn't true. You have to have a trust in order to avoid probate. And there are certain other aspects of a trust that provide value that a lot of people aren't immediately aware of. For example, you need an estate plan, but many people will say to me, well, geez, Marjorie, you know, my real estate holdings are very modest. I don't really think that I qualify for an estate. If you own real estate, if you have jewelry, if you have a car, if you have collectibles, if you have items that have been passed down to your family for generations that you want your children to have, you, believe me, have an estate that needs to be protected and needs to be planned for. I'd like you to think about an estate plan as really a four-legged stool. A an is comprised of four components: a revocable living trust, a pour-over will, an advanced health directive, and also a power of attorney. These four components together provide a protective bubble that protects your family from the state of California reaching into your pocket and deciding who gets your assets or how you're going to be cared for. It also is going to protect you against somebody that you neither know or possibly that you don't like making decisions for you and your family in terms of who gets your money, who gets your house, whether or not you're going to be kept alive on life support, or whether or not you're going to be able to finish your last days as you decide. So, uh, having an estate plan is a gift that you leave your family, particularly at a time that they are going to be looking for answers, and having a plan in place is going to provide them with those answers. As a real estate agent, I'm simply here to advise you, and that includes on all matters real estate. Ultimately, you're in the driver's seat, and that is really, I'll do as you direct me to do. But as part of that service to you, it's also incumbent upon me to introduce you to people who are qualified to advise you. I would love to introduce you to several estate planning attorneys in your area. Also, I'd like to send you this kind of a one-page overview of what is an estate plan and some of the basics about those four components that I mentioned to you. Just click on the button and I'll send it out to you without cost or obligation. I'm not a stalker. I'm here to try to earn your business by providing you with value. So if you have a particular question or something's been bothering you or you want to know more information about, just send me a quick message, or you'd like to receive this basic planner, estate plan, I'd be happy to send it. Just let me know and I'll get it right out to you. And until we meet again with news that's on the house, be well, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you.